Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on Wallpaper Engine. First thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and download wallpapers that you want to add to your playlist. So you can come here, click on Discover, and look for different wallpapers. Let's say I want to go ahead and use this one. So I will go ahead and click on this wallpaper, then I'll click here on Subscribe, and as soon as you do that, it will actually start downloading the wallpaper. And once that is done, you can just come here at the top left, click on Installed, and then here you'll find all the wallpapers that you have downloaded. And all I need you to do is just hover over the wallpapers you want to add to your playlist, then click on this checkbox. I'll go ahead and choose this one. Let me add this one right here along with these two as well. So if I come down here at the bottom left, you'll see we have a playlist with 5 wallpapers. I can come here, click on Save, and then just name our wallpaper. I'll name it Tutorial. Click here on OK. And then at any given point in time, you can come to the bottom left, click on Load, and you can load up your wallpaper. Just go ahead and click on it, click here on OK, and as you can see right here, it is fully functional. And that is how to create a playlist on Wallpaper Engine. Found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.